G'day guys, Ben Johnston here from the Fight Centre. I'm training over here in Thailand with Simon Mayhem, mate. He's an old time, almost opponent of mine, but we're over here training together now. It's been real good. Basically, just want to show you guys a drill that we were just working on today, which I actually use this quite a lot. It's basically, this technique is designed to stop your opponent from wanting to catch your kicks. If you're in a fight and you got, like a lot of the time over in Thailand, and Thais especially, very good at catching kicks and then throwing a counter shot afterwards. So if you find you have an opponent that's always catching your kicks, you want to discourage them from doing that in the future, because obviously you're not going to stop kicking. It's a Muay Thai fight. So how it basically works, Simon's going to play the role of the guy who's going to be the counter fighter catching my kicks. So as I throw that body kick, Simon catches. Now from here, Simon can do a range of things: sweep my leg, throw a punch to my body. There's a heap of things he can do that's going to basically make life hard for me. Now the first time that happens, say he gets it, say he catches me off guard. Now I know that he catches kicks. So I might even feed it. The second time, maybe he catches, maybe he switches. The third time I know that in his response is, boom, take that leg. So he goes for it, I feed it, boom. Just a punch straight over the top, straight to the side of the face. So, again, I'm here, I throw the kick, Simon catches, boom. Now, a lot of the time, see what Simon's doing? He's got that hand up to defend as he catches. Boom, he's got that hand up to defend. Most times that doesn't happen. He's doing that automatically because we've been doing this for the last 10 minutes. A lot of the time, that hand, that side of the face is open. Boom. Now, it might not be a knockout shot, but it's going to make him hesitate the next time he goes to catch that kick. Or it's going to make him hesitate. Say if he comes in to try and sweep my leg. Boom, he comes in. Boom. There it is. Hope that helps, guys. Cheers.